Dear students, welcome to CR's digital classes. Let us know the topic of Fisher's ideal index based on quantities. If they provide quantities or sometimes they will not provide quantities indirectly, they will ask the question. So how to deal with that? Let us learn today. So here is the question. Calculate Fisher's ideal index from the following data. So they have given some data for us. So P naught they have given directly in rupees, but P naught directly we have, and instead of Q naught they have given total cost for us. So quantities they don't did not give directly, they have given some cost values. So how to find out Q naught Q1, that let us learn. So Fisher's ideal index formula is the same, but here in question they did not specify Q naught Q1 directly. So that also we need to find out whenever such data they have given. So P1, P naught anyhow we have in our hand, and total cost we have. So using this total cost and prices, let us find out our quantities. Now how to find out that quantities? We have a formula. So quantity, to identify the quantity, here it goes, we have a formula, that is total cost by price. So whenever they will mention price and cost, in this way we need to find out our quantities. So quantity is equal to total cost and price we have. So for base year quantity, same formula. Current year quantity, same formula. For current year values to consider. For base year values let us consider. So using that given data. So let us go for it. So I need to identify Q naught Q1. So I have taken the table. Now what is the formula just now we discussed? That is total cost by price, right? So first Q naught I want, means base year quantity. That means base year total cost we have to divide with base year price. That is, here what we have, total cost simultaneously, like P naught under whatever the value you have, that comes for base year itself. So P naught total cost, this becomes our base year total cost. Okay, so 1000 divided by price value we have as 18. Next 600 divided by 14. Like that we have to go on doing to obtain Q naught. Next 480 divided by 16, like that. Let us check it out that in the table. See, 1000 divided by 18 we have done. That is, once again let us check it out. 1000 value from total cost and 18 from P naught. So that we have done here. So what we have done here? Total cost divided by P naught. This also comes under P naught. Simultaneous cost becomes a P naught value, base year total cost itself. So like that I have divided and obtained a complete column of Q naught. Simultaneously let us go for obtaining Q1 also. The same formula again, total cost by price, but based on current year prices and current year total cost you have to consider. So let us check it out in the table. So here P1 value we have here, total cost under that. So P1 under whatever you have, that comes under current year cost itself. So here 2400 divided by 18 we have to do. So let us check it out. See, 2400 divided by 18 I have done. So simultaneously all other values also let us divide and get the column for Q1. So I have all the values in my hand now. P1, P naught anyhow in the question we have. Q naught and Q1 just now we have obtained. So let us go for Fisher ideal index number. So Fisher, to obtain Fisher ideal, let us check the formula first, then we'll come for the calculation. So here is the formula. P01 is a notation. Its formula is under root summation P1 Q0 by summation P0 Q0 into summation P1 Q1 by summation P0 Q0 into 100. So this is the formula you have learned earlier. So let us obtain all these values in the table, then we'll come back for the substitution. So every value we need to identify. So first column I have considered P1 Q0. Previously from the question I have taken this P0 Q0. Q0 we have identified, right? So in the sequence I have taken first P0, then Q0, then P1 Q1 from the question and the second table whatever we have obtained. Now let us go for the multiplications. So first column P1 Q0 I have considered. So let us do that. So how to do? Simply P1 value multiply with Q0 value. So P1 I have 18 here. So 18 into Q0 I have 55.56. So simply multiply and get the answer. Like that, go for next values also. One more value, let us check it out. 42.86 I have Q0 and P1 I have 16. So 16 into 42.86 you do, will get the answer. So like that, you have to find out all other values to obtain this column. Now what we have to do, simply add up all the values and get its total, that is summation P1 Q0. So I have got some answer for this column. So similarly, let us go for identifying remaining columns. So I am considering P0 and P0 into Q0. Simply P0 value multiply with Q0 value. So first P0 value I have 18. So 18 into Q0 value again 55.56 I have, multiply and get the answer. So I have got some 1000.08. So similarly, go for the next values also. Then add up all the values of this column so that we can find summation P0 Q0. So I have got some answer. So like that, let us go for P1 Q1 column also. So simply take P1 value multiply with Q1 value. So P1 I have 18 here. So 18 into Q1 I have 133.33. So multiply 18 into 133.33, got the answer here. So like that, go for all other values simultaneously. Multiply P1 with Q1 and add one to another, that all values will get summation P1 Q1. So this is how I have got one more column. Now go for the last column, that is your P0 Q1. So P0 value you have to multiply with Q1 value. So first value, let us check it out. First value I have 18 in P0. So 18 into Q1 I have 133.33. So P0 I have 18. 18 into Q1 value I have 133.33. So 133.33 I have considered. So I have got the answer as 2399.94. So like this, I have obtained all other values also. Simultaneous P0 value multiply with Q1 and then add all the values to one to another and get the answer for summation P0 Q1. So I have got all the totals now. Take all these values, simply substitute in the formula and get the answer for Fisher ideal index. So let us check it out. See, summation P1 Q0 is the first value I have under root. So let us check it out where we have that. Summation P1 Q0 is this answer. Take that one. See, I have wrote here. Simultaneously take P0 Q0 value and then P1 Q1 value downside P0 Q1 into 100 as it is. So like that I have substituted the values, then divide it and then multiply, do the root over and multiply with 100, get the answer as 122.15. So this is how we find out Fisher ideal index number. So whenever quantities are missing, in this way we need to identify the quantities and we have to go for the required formula. So hope you have understood this Fisher's ideal whenever quantities are not there. So see you all in the next session. Thank you.